The only real Disney fans will spot this. Accidental hidden Mickey. One of my favorite restaurants here on Lincoln Road, the Maya's Grill. We haven't been here in quite some time.
No, we haven't.
Can't hear you.
Oh, no, we haven't.
Yes. But the meals are so big, so we're going to share something nice. And it's also a very rainy, icky day kind of here in Miami. Kinda here in Miami? Yeah, kinda here. So the main has arrived, and it is a large chicken sandwich that we're going to share and a plate of chips. You're excited. What kind of chicken is that? Oh, I didn't want to get it like that. What do you got there? Very cool. I think we've made a pigeon friend. Hello, pigeon. How can we help you? Want to hang out with Libby? Oh, the Maya's Grill is always good. I have to wear a hat because it was raining. I had to go back and find my hat. Now I have it, and now it's not raining anymore. But Maya's Grill is very tasty. Very tasty.
Very good. I like all the rainbows that I've seen out. It's really nice.
You see a rainbow?
Yeah. On the storefronts and stuff to celebrate Pride Month.
Why are there so many songs about rainbows? What?
What about why are there so many rainbows outside now?
That's not how it goes.
I know. But yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, I picked up an outfit for something and I'm super excited about it, but I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. Ooh, puppy? You puppy? Normal behavior. Came to the dog park for you to run. So far, all you're doing is laying there and letting these other dogs bark at you. Oh boy. We're in the car.
Oh, yes. We're in the car.
You repeat what I say.
No.
It's so nice.
It is nice.
Oh, it's so nice out. I'm happy to be outside.
You think it's nice out? Yeah, it's alright.
Well, it's like overcast, but
Not really over there, it's nice.
in that one spot. That's the one blue spot. Where we headed?
The most magical store in the whole world.
Disney?
Costco.
Oh yeah, Costco. Let's go. We have made it to Costco and the skies are looking gray. We went for some food.
Only place to go, you get a $1.50 hot dog and soda.
Oh yeah.
For $1.50.
Yeah. I got pizza. Pizza. Is that a successful trip?
Did we need to get what we need? Excuse me. Did we get what we needed to get?
I think so.
And we got this.
Yep. Was that a good impulse buy?
What? Oh yes. And it's
Comfy?
storage too.
And storage.
Oh, there's a box in there. Okay.
There's no box
Hi,
in
Libby.
there. Unless you put a box in there.
Hi, Libby. It's like a drum. Bless you.
She's like, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Is this for me?
It could be.
It could be.
Come, Libby.
Oh, she was just licking peanut butter.
Lucky dog.
It is. She is. All right. That's it for tonight.
Is it?
Yep.
We made a video?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mikey's out?
The last couple days we just kind of like...
Yeah, well, we weren't feeling too well,
It was
and it was rainy and
tired
gross and...
And it didn't make for good video since we didn't shoot any anyway. Oh, okay, so Monkey's out, right?
Yep.
Monkey's out!
It's upside down.
Monkey's out. What's his code? This is an advertisement. Monkey's out.